Stay stuck there. You did. I ain't deleting shit all my life. You did. You ain't playing no game. Yeah. You ain't playing no game. Now I'm trying to see what this was. I deleted it. And I didn't get to see the message. Oh. Fuck good bit up. Man, why I don't want trying to do that shit. Man, they busting. They busting over there. I'm gonna start pushing shit. Sound like a little dose dose. Somebody busting a little dose dose. What's up with it, y'all? We gonna keep this baby back lit, y'all. Oh, one more day, payday. You did, y'all. One more day, payday. Bullshit, man. Yeah, man. But I've been seeing that SIG, y'all. I've been looking at this SIG, man. I think it's 320 or something like that. You know, it come with nice sights and shit. Dang. That's why I hate looking at these damn whale sites, man. They be wanting me want every time I be want to buy something else. Man, I'm addicted like a mother, y'all. Seriously, I be want to. Damn, I just saw this other. I'm like, damn, I might want that one too. But I want to stay within my collection. So I got a lot of Rock Island. I got a lot of Springfield. I got my two Taurus now. So, so I want to see what else I want. I want that seed though. I'm trying to see if I get that one. Damn, I gotta have a mate. You know what I'm talking about? So if I get one, I want to have another. So I got two Taurus. Shit, I got two seed. I got two. What's it called? Damn. Y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. Candy. Yeah, I got two Candy. TP9. I got the damn subcompact. You know what I'm talking about? I love my compact, no cap. Then I got the man. Say y'all better do y'all research on these damn guns, man. It's like, man, this shit be on sale, man, like crazy. I was look how he just buy shit. Man, I bought the hell I want, man. Grown man shit. Shit. I'm just mad. I can. Well, Lil Flip say I can do that. I can do that. Like, yeah, it is. I can do that. That's why you laugh at them haters. When they can't do that, they try to shit on somebody who can do that. But I can do that. It is. So yeah, we're gonna keep this bitch lit. My other channel is still just doing the damn thing. I ain't even worried about it no more, man. I'm just gonna let everybody feed off what I done dropped. And hey, we gonna rock out like that. It is, cause I ain't tripping on that one now. Cooking with love, y'all, is banging. You hear me? Banging out the trunk right now, y'all. I ain't playing with no what? That channel killing, y'all. So get this channel woke up. You dig? So yeah, everybody, I want everybody please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. I ain't trying to get no YouTube check. I'm just being me. Want everybody to show the love. Say pop out, rock out. You dig? Ain't no change. Still not trying to get a YouTube channel. I don't give a fuck about 40 damn channels. Still not getting no damn YouTube channel. I'm just being me. You dig? Letting people know this is just entertainment, man. Anybody can do this shit. You know what I'm talking about? This shit ain't like you gotta do this, do that. No, be yourself. The key of the game. Be yourself. She gonna pop out. You dig? Already, you be yourself. She gonna pop, y'all. It is. So all my bros, y'all say, y'all, pop out, be yourself, man. You ain't said nothing but a word. All my bros, please put your notification on when I pop out. We gonna show love. That's all it's about, y'all. That's it. That's all, I ain't changing, y'all. You know, if you know me, you know me. If you know me from my cooking with love, y'all already know how we showing love. But if you pop on my shoot that bullshit, I got something for your ass. So yeah, what I'm talking about. No, I got something for you. You did. I could talk the talk. I get at you. So yeah, I want to try to pop out talk some shit. I like that shit.